Happy New Year, my sweet strangers! I hope your holidays were as happy and peaceful as mine. Let me invite you to take a little peek. The weather was so magical this year. The days around Christmas were filled with sun and unusually warm air until the 23rd, when a heavy snowfall came and covered everything in white slush just for Christmas, so it could all melt in a day afterward. So I decided to use an old branch from my curly willow tree. And because of the sunny weather, I sprayed it with gold decorative spray outside. Then I arranged it into my urn pot and decorated it with some small ornaments and feather birds. I filled the urn with small red berry branches and set it on my crowded side table. I have also expanded my Christmas decoration collection with the cardboard villages I posted a while ago. I have put one on top of my big custom cabinet I made a couple of years ago, and I filled my window with the white villages and colorful glass bulbs hung on silk ribbons of different lengths. I love Christmas for its mood, songs, and scents, homemade eggnog liquor, and spending more time with my closest friends and family. I decided to get a perpetual tree a few years ago, when I realized how many trees are being killed each year just for fun, so I'm not participating anymore. I had my tree for years now, and it's still as pretty as it was when I bought it. Well, except for a few branches that my lovely kitties chewed up. Every year I try to buy something new for my tree, and this year it has been this beautiful sparkly crystal snowflake for the top. I also got very cool old-fashioned electric candles. Only after I brought it home, I found out they each need their own AAA battery. Well, at least I don't have to deal with any more wires. Also, I finally finished some of my vintage handmade ornaments I started a couple of years ago. I made these cute little drums out of empty tape rolls. I will definitely be posting the how-to video in the future. I love getting silly ornaments for a memory. This year it was a tiny glass toadstool. Last year it was a bear, and kitties the year before that. An unexpected surprise was when I got a small set of very special and fine handmade glass ornaments from my mom this year. Transparent deep maroon, decorated with tiny silver beads. Aren't they gorgeous? I think my tree came out wonderful this year. At the last minute, I decided to sew a new tree skirt from a gorgeous Christmas goblin I found and bought right before it sold out. I trimmed it with the bobbin lace to give it a vintage touch. The last thing is a Christmas goblin tablecloth and a table candle wreath, which I try to update with different color candles and bulbs every year.